कि वर्ल्ड कप 2023 का जो फाइनल था उसमें अगर हार्दिक रहता तो शायद इंडिया वो वर्ल्ड कप जीत भी सकती थी। तो T20 वर्ल्ड कप चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी इसमें हमने आपका इम्पैक्ट कितना था वो देखा ही। सो अभी आने वाले मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए भी आपको बहुत मतलब ऑलरेडी क्राउड में ऐसा डिस्कशन होना स्टार्ट हो गया कि हार्दिक बहुत ही इम्पैक्ट रहेगा मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए, उसका बहुत काफी इंपॉर्टेंस है। सो इसको आप कैसे देखते हो? पिछले एक साल में आपके लिए जर्नी कैसे रहा है?
सर बढ़िया रहा है। मतलब काफी एंटरटेनिंग रहा है। मैंने तो हमेशा वही माना है, डिफिकल्ट भी रहा है लेकिन एंटरटेनिंग भी रहा है। दूसरा सर इम्पोर्टेंट तो मैंने हमेशा माना है अपने आप को। जो भी टीम के लिए मैं खेला हूँ हमेशा मैंने माना है कि मैं इम्पोर्टेंट हूँ। मैं एक रोल में अगर मैं अपना एग्जीक्यूट कर पाऊंगा अपना ऑलराउंडर स्किल, इट विल बी ऑलवेज बेनिफिट टुवर्ड्स द टीम। और दूसरा क्या बोले सर आप?
सर वो अभी आने वाले सीजन के लिए भी ऑलरेडी मुंबई के लोगों में मतलब चर्चा शुरू हुई कि हार्दिक पांड्या हमारे लिए बहुत मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल प्लेयर था।
मैं भी उनके साथ एग्री करता हूँ।
सर मुंबई इंडियंस के फैंस के लिए कोई मैसेज आप देना चाहोगे? क्योंकि वो वानखेड़े पे हमारे जो पलटन आएगी आपको बहुत सपोर्ट मिलेगा इस साल, तो उनके लिए क्या मैसेज है स्पेशल?
कुछ नहीं, बस जब मैं आऊँ अंदर बैटिंग में चिल्लाओ और मैं जब छक्का मारूं तब चिल्लाओ, विकेट में तब चिल्लाओ, टॉस पे चिल्लाओ। और मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए पूरा मतलब इस बार कोई और कलर दिखना नहीं चाहिए, स्पेशली आवाज का कलर। सो बस यही है मेरी विश उनके लिए।
ये एक्सपेक्टेशंस है इसको आप मोटिवेशन की तरह से देखते हैं या प्रेशर बढ़ा हुआ फील कर रहे हैं?
नहीं सर, मैंने जब मैं WPL का मैच भी देखने गया और लड़कियों को मैं बोला मतलब वेरी नाइस एग्जांपल टू स्टेट, सो मेंस टीम हैज टू फॉलो नाउ। सो एक्साइटिंग सर सीजन है। बहुत सारे नए चेहरे हैं, सब लड़के आए हुए हैं, काफी लोगों के अंदर जुनून भरा हुआ है और ये सीजन में बाहर निकलने का वेट कर रहे हैं। सो मैं बड़ा एक्साइटेड हूँ सर। मैं प्रेशर उस चीज में तो लूंगा नहीं क्योंकि वो मेरे बाहर के कंट्रोल की बाहर है कि अगर कुछ गलत हो गया तो क्या। मैं हमेशा मानता हूँ कुछ अगर सही हो गया तो क्या। सो मैं एक्साइटिंग पार्ट पे ज्यादा फोकस कर रहा हूँ कि सब बेहतर जाएगा, सब बढ़िया जाएगा, विल बी वेरी गुड, विल प्ले वेरी गुड क्रिकेट एंड उसके बाद क्या होगा मुझे वो पता है। सो आई एम मोर फोकस्ड ऑन दैट, नॉट ऑन द अदर साइड।
Where you handle the mental pressure very efficiently. How well do you want to develop on that this season, and what lessons would you like to take from that when dealing with high pressure situations? And coach, if I can ask one question to you, you've won big games as a player, you won big games as a coach. What is the coaching transition that you brought in to make sure that you lead a pack of people to multiple trophies at a single time?
I think for me, learning is everyday process. I think that is somewhere been very instrumental part of my life. That if you want to become better, if you want to become better in every part, not just cricket, just human, communication skills to, anything. You need a constant improvement, and that's have been something with me forever. And now also, as you said. I was able to deal with a lot of things better. Maybe the next learning for me is that even how can I deal even better than what I did already. So I look at it that way, that all the challenges which came were my lessons. Now there will be more lessons also coming forward. How do I take it and how do I stay strong, and what are the good parts I can take off out of it is my challenge, and at the same point of time always the mindset to learn.
I think quickly on my question, I think creating a winning mentality is important. That toughness. I've been able to win trophies as a player, but I've gone past that. For me, it's about my learnings, but the new generation also has evolved. The game has evolved. Every day for me is to learn how I can push these guys better. To motivate them.
Sometimes number 4, this time considering your versatility in the lower middle order?
See, that batting order, no, I've never really taken much into my cricket. I've always been a player who liked to play situations and entry points. If certain overs have happened, I will be there inside, but specific numbers now batting at 4, 5, 6. I think it has gone from my my cricketing journey, I only focus on what is required for my team. If my team requires me to bat at 4, very good. If 7, very good. Any number basically, I am fine with it. It's just which situation and which entry point I go into. That is more important for me.
Okay, a couple of questions to both of you. Firstly, is Sky's form going into this tournament a concern? He's had great IPS, but last year or so perhaps has not been as good for him as kind of performances we've been used to seeing, you know. And secondly, the impact player role that was debated upon a lot, and then it has been retained. There's a a lot of debate around the fact that all-rounders like Hardik will not be able to get if we continue with this rule. So, what is your opinion about this rule? Is it healthy going forward?
Yeah, we've been officially communicated that he has to miss. So, like Hardik said, Surya will lead the team, and we're looking forward to that. Last season threw us some challenges, but it's been a big auction, and a lot of changes has happened. With that, we got a fresh canvas to start and paint our destiny. We have the core group with us who's got the experience, who knows what the culture is, how we need to play and how we need to win. And with the new group of guys, which includes some of the old faces coming back, like Trent, which was a big part in our success in 2020. So for us, it's about putting this puzzle together, making sure that we
Return of Trent Bolt to the side means for MI after last couple of seasons.
See, the bowling group, I'll tell you the plans were very clear to get a lot of experience in it. Because Wankhede can be sometimes very unforgiving to the bowlers, the kind of track which we play in. So it was very, very important to bring in experience who have played from Mitch to Trent. As you mentioned, Trent was very, very important for us. Deepak, all our experienced individuals, Boom, myself, or any Mujib, to all even youngsters who have played a lot of cricket. And I think that was very, very important to bring a lot of experience. So when the tough time comes, they have felt the pressure earlier. So I think if you see our bowling make, that's very evident, and that's how we'll be looking forward to go for.
सवाल रह गया यार
Hi, Hardik, Ankush here.
हो गया डन हो गया भाई तो बैट बॉल दिखा हाँ
दोनों साथ थोड़ा लेके साथ थोड़ा हाइट पे लेके ये साइड का साइड
यहाँ पर सेंटर से आलू नको ना यार कम क्लोजर HP here. Both of you look center.
Both of you left side.
HP here center. Yeah, center. Both of you center. Thank you. Solo. For team. ये खाली बसा रे ये सोलो हार्दिक सोलो HP सोलो